Hello friends, welcome once again to Smart Pro Graphics, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design this logo. So this is actually the logo for my company, Smart Pro Graphics. So if you can see, so it's actually simple anyway, so it's not something complex. So let's go straight to the design process. And remember, we're using Adobe Illustrator to do this design here. So let me reduce the size so we can see. Now we can go straight. So here now, we are using the polygon tool. So go to the shape tool and select polygon tool from there. So from here you draw a polygon. Just draw a polygon here. Alright, so we can make the color, let's fill it with black. Now we need to rotate it, so put down your shift to rotate it. Okay, so something like this. Okay, now the next thing is to duplicate it, copy and paste in front. Just press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then just bring the copy one you get. So just adjust it like that. So the next thing is we select both. So let's select both. Alright, okay, sorry, let me lock this one at the back here. Going to the, so let me lock that. Alright, okay, it is locked so that it will not interfere with what we are doing. Okay, I think I need to lock this also. Okay, lock. Okay, this one is done. So let's select these two and go to Pathfinder. We go to Pathfinder, divide. So after that, then we will ungroup. Then we remove this one at the top. Just remove that. So the next thing is we also divide the one below here. So select your line to here. Then just draw a straight line. You can hold down your shift. So just select this. Then go to Pathfinder again. Divide. Alright. Then we ungroup it. Okay, now the next thing is select everything. So we go to objects now, go to parts, then go to offset. Now let's preview it. Now if you can see now here, the offset is set to -40. Please make sure it is minus. Set it to negative so that it's going to be inside. You want the offset to be inside. And look at the joints. The joints is meter. So it's meter. So the offset is -40 pixel. Then just OK. And if it is not set to that, you can set it to that. You can just type it, highlight and type it -40. Okay. Alright, so this by preview it's still the same thing. Okay, just OK. I think that's that. So the next thing, go to parts, just cut it, then highlight, delete. Then go back to part again, paste in front. And you can just paste anyway. So let's increase the size of this one again. Now the next thing to do here is we change this fill to stroke. So let's remove the fill and let's change that to stroke. You can just use this one. Alright, then let's increase the stroke. We can actually increase it to, let's say, where is the stroke? Okay, this is the stroke here. Let's increase it. Okay, let's make it maybe, okay, let's make it 40. Okay, I think that one is okay like that. Yeah, so that's good. So the next thing is using the polygon tool again. Draw another polygon here. Okay, then we rotate it again. Alright, then we just place it here. Make sure it is at the center. Let's reduce that. I think that one is too big. Okay. Let's increase the size. Holding down your control, holding down Shift Alt, increase it. So it's okay. I think this is good. Yeah. So that one is okay. So what we are left, the next thing to do now is what we need to do next is to So we use the line tool. Using the line tool, we make a line. We draw a line here, then extend it. Okay, then draw another line here. Extend it. Another line here. Let's look for where this thing is. Okay. Okay. And we extend that one also. Alright. So with that done, so we can actually select everything. Then we go to objects. Alright, sorry, object, expand. So we expand that. So the next thing is, now we still need to draw more lines. So we using the line tool again. Go to line, draw a line here, draw a line here. Okay, we extend that. Now draw from here. Okay, from here also, let's select out. Let's draw another line here. Okay, then we extend that outside again. Then the next thing is we okay. Alright, so that's I think this line here is not really necessary. This line here is not necessary. You can actually delete that. So let's, for the S, let's make another line here. Okay, so let's make a line here. Alright, let's extend that outside. Then again we make another line here. Okay, here, let's say here. Alright, we extend that one outside also. Okay, now with that done, alright, let's look at our G, the G here. So we are using this, sorry, so we make a line here also, then we extend that one outside. Then the next thing is also okay, I think that one is done. Okay, I think that is done. That's done. Alright, now so the next thing, now let's select everything here. So using our shape builder tool, now we don't want to bring out this, we want to bring out all these letters S, P, and G. So with that, we can just select with the shape builder tool, just select here, come here and pick a color. We are picking the color blue here. So we will just highlight this, okay, then this here. Alright, make it 1. Okay, now the next thing is we come here again for our S. Major is, oh sorry, mistake. So we come here, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, now for our G, we just here, okay, here and here. Okay, I think that's done. Alright, so the next thing is, let's just select only the letters we want. Oh sorry, I think there should be a problem. Let's select again, go back to that. This letter here is not okay, so that's that. So select only the letters, then remove that. Sorry, let's ungroup it. Ungroup. Okay, now let's select only the letters here and move them away. Then we remove all these pieces here. So after removing these pieces here, bring this back. Okay, so now the next thing to do, we still need to cut each of these letters into pieces. If we look at this, so that we'll be able to apply this effect. So what we'll do again is, using our line tool, we can click here, draw a line here, and extend that, draw another line here, extend that, draw another line here, draw another line here, extend that. Okay, then draw another line here, extend that, then draw another line here, extend that, then draw another, so draw another line here, we extend it. All right, so draw another line here, extend it, then for our G also we'll do the same thing. Sorry, so we'll draw a line here, extend it, a line here, extend that, a line here, extend that, make another line here, extend that. Okay, I think that's all right. So the next thing is just select everything here. Now you see, using your shape builder tool, go select the shape builder tool. So with picking, so you can just use this blue color here. You can see now when you highlight, you can see it's different pieces. If you use the shape builder tool to hover over each of these letters, you see it has already been. So just click this here. Oh, sorry, we are using the color. Let's pick a color here. Maybe we should pick a deep blue here. So use this. Okay, then for this, for the letter G, we are using the green here. Yeah. Okay, then for the S, we can just use red here. Red. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all. Now let's select each pieces. Let's select each pieces. Okay, so after that, let's just select everything here and delete it, and let's bring this one back. Okay, so the next thing is that we need to apply this effect here. So to do that, let's just highlight it. So let's select each of these pieces, looking at that. So pick, using your eyedropper tool, just select the color here, pick this, the color here. Okay, that's this color. Then this one also. Yeah, remember, you can actually use gradient for this, but here we're not using the gradient. So you just want to keep things simple. So here also the color, apply the color here, the color here, the color here. Okay, sorry, the color here, which is the same thing here. So this one also, select that, apply that, apply the color, apply the color, apply the color, apply the color. So that's it. So that's the, so let's select all these ones here, all these pieces, and group it. Select all these pieces, group it, group it. Okay, so that's it. So let's just bring this one here. Let me use a line here, guideline here, to that. Now we can just shift this with you. Okay, then this one also. Okay, then this one too, bring it down. So you can actually use the guideline to help us so that it aligns well. Alright, Let's check this one also. Let's check this side also. We want to make sure that this, okay, we can just drag this one here. Sorry, we can just, okay, now let's bring it down. Let's bring it down a little. Yes, you know, so you just make sure it aligns well. Alright, and let's have this here. So now group everything. So let's group it. That's that. So you can see, so we just created this logo here. It's my company logo. So that's how that was how I created this logo. That's how I designed this logo. So what we need to do next is to apply the text. So let's add the text. Smart Pro Graphics. Smart Pro Graphics. Okay. So that's the font here, which is Sadi Sans Variable. What do you call it? So it's actually the one I use for the tagline. So that's the font I use for it, but the one here I actually use Fruit Tiger. For the name I use Fruit Tiger Bold. So then you can actually use so go to character, then increase the kerning. Yeah, you can increase the tracking anyways. I mean the tracking, so you increase it to 100. Then this one here, let's change that to always keep it simple. Always keep it simple. Alright, so just use that. So you can reduce the size. Let's make it 40. Now select everything here, then align center. Okay, I think that's that. So friends, thanks so much for, so that's just the design process of this logo here. Thanks once again guys for staying tuned to watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new tutorial, you'll be the first person to be notified that they will be the first person to watch it. You'll be able to learn a new technique of designing in either in Adobe Illustrator or any other program I'll be using on this channel. So guys, thanks once again. So see you in the next tutorial, and please do not forget, always keep it simple.